Hi Soul Tribe, welcome back to my channel, Organically Ashley. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how I make my lip balm. So this lip balm is all natural. It consists of shea butter, cocoa butter, beeswax, castor oil, a little bit of peppermint oil, and some good ingredients for your skin and for your lips. So the good thing about my products and the things that I make is they're all natural. They don't consist of any harsh chemicals or preservatives or anything like that, because it is detrimental to your health in the long run. So this one, I've been using it all day. I have lipstick on right now, so I don't want to ruin it, but I'll just dab it in. It smells so good. It smells like a peppermint patty, okay? It's honestly amazing. So if you want to know how to make this yourself at home, continue watching. So right now I am cutting the beeswax. I would definitely suggest getting the pellets over the block, just because for measuring purposes, it makes it way easier to work with. And here I'm adding in the coconut oil. I add in about a tablespoon of coconut oil, and then I go in and add a teaspoon of castor oil. And here is the cocoa butter. I put 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter. Now, when you're working with cocoa butter, the cocoa butter adds hardness. So it is perfect for the summer months. If you know you're going to be out in the sun and warm weather, this lip balm is great. Now I'm adding in vitamin E, and vitamin E is just great to moisturize your lips and add some shine to it. Here I am melting everything, melting all of the butters and oils, so it should look all liquefied and melted like this. And you have to work quick with lip balms because they solidify quickly. Here I am adding in peppermint essential oil. This essential oil makes the lip balm fabulous. Like, it makes it smell good. It adds a nice tingly sensation to your lips, but not too much, very slight. And it is lip and skin safe. And here I am pouring it into the lip balm container. As you can see, it kind of hardened up quick, so you have to work fast. And this is the finished product. They came out amazing. I just have to throw some labels on there and seal them up, and then they're ready to be sold. You guys could do this at home. It's really not that hard, and it's a great alternative to toxic lip balms and toxic, products out there. This, you're putting all natural, holistic ingredients on your body. So I hope you all enjoyed that video of me making my natural lip balm. It's not that hard. You guys could do it at home yourselves. And if you want to see more content of me making soaps, lip balms, body butters, scrubs, all that type of content, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more content of non-toxic living and some spiritual and some motivational content. And yes, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching.